Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine from India, emphasizes a holistic approach to healing and wellness. It is based on balancing the body's energies or doshas by using natural herbs, spices, and other elements to maintain and restore harmony. This Ayurvedic drink, which combines powerful herbs, spices, and liquids, can be incredibly effective in nurturing and healing the lungs. It aids in detoxification, provides immune support, improves respiratory efficiency, and reduces inflammation. Additionally, it helps clear the airways and enhances lung capacity. You can consume this drink 3 to 4 times a day to begin improving your condition. For more videos like this, keep watching Health Plus.